Hello and good day. I'm here to do a speech about the LJJ-30 Ring Light. It's manufactured in China with fill light and beauty phase, make phase and iron beauty, night core, extreme multiple colour temperature. The first thing I'd like to say about the LJJ-30 Ring Light, which is pictured here. It can't work on a USB 2.0 port because the maximum current output of a USB 2.0 port is 500 milliamps at 5 volts, giving a total power output of 2.5 watts. Now, to light the LJJ-30 at high brightness, you have to use 11 or 12 watts of electrical power, which means you need to have a USB output at least 5 volts and 2.5 amps, or amperes as they're known by engineers, which is why I bought a master plug with 2 USB sockets on, which each can deliver 5 volts at 2.5 amps or more, and you only need to use one of those USB sockets of a master plug. You may be able to use USB 3.0, but on my personal computer I only have one USB 3.0 port, which is being used for something else. So you should buy a master plug which has 1 or 2 or more USB sockets on, which can output 5 volts at 2.5 amps to light the LJJ-30 Ring Light. If you try to use a USB 2.0 port to light the ring light in question, you may find that it burns out the port. If too much current is drawn, it can have a maximum current of 500 milliamps, that's 0.5 amps, half an amp, or half an ampere as engineers call amps. And if the current cutout is disabled on the USB 2.0 port, it could actually burn the port out. So beware of that. Only use the USB 3.0 port, and even then there might still be a problem if you want the ring light on maximum brightness. Or buy a master plug which has a USB socket on. You can change the colour of the ring light from white light to blue light to yellow light and back to white light. So for just over £20, the LJJ-30 Ring Light offers a fair value for money. Thank you for watching this address about the LJJ-30 Ring Light. Thank you very much.